Karma Guy here, and I'm bringing you something special today. This 2012 Fiat 500 Abarth hatchback. Low miles, only 96,000 on the clock. But that's not all. Check out the original books and the dealer service history. This baby's been well taken care of. And that's just the start. It comes with a current GA state emissions certification and a recent service valued at over $1,750. Yep, you heard that right. New air filters, fresh oil, new brake pads, spark plugs, and even tire pressure sensors. This car is ready to roll. This 500 Abarth is dealer certified pre-owned, backed by a Quality Plus warranty, 3 months or 3,000 miles, plus a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price when you buy. And hey, ask about upgrading to a lifetime warranty while you're here. You know what they say. The bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of a low price is forgotten. Don't settle for less. This Abarth is certified, serviced, and ready for the road.